Often, when working with data, we encounter the problem of dataset structure misalignment. There are many methods to address this issue. In this tutorial, we will explore the aggregation operation, which allows for changing the unit of analysis. Aggregation involves transforming a dataset where the categories of the grouping variable occur multiple times into a dataset where these categories have no repetitions. During data aggregation, it is possible to calculate one or several available statistics, such as mean, sum, minimum, maximum, and many others. For example, in the presented dataset, the unit of analysis is the product line on an invoice. Therefore, to present the average and total sales divided by the countries to which these sales pertain, we can perform data aggregation. To do this, select the Data menu and choose Aggregate. Then, from the list on the left, select the variable country and move it to the Break Variables area using the arrow. Next, in the Summaries of Variables section, select the variable amount. Repeat this step again. The default statistic chosen by the program is the mean, but this time we need to calculate the total sales. Use the Function button to modify the summarizing statistic, and then click Continue. For better presentation of results, we can also provide a description of the variable that will store the calculated statistic. To do this, select the variable amount sum, and then click Name and Label. Enter the text Total Sales in the label field, leaving the variable name unchanged, and click Next. Repeat this step for the variable amount mean, entering the label Average Sales, and clicking Continue again. Additionally, during any defined aggregation, we can check the Number of Cases option to get an additional variable, nBreak, which contains information about the number of observations in the aggregated group. In the Save section in the middle of the window, select the option Create a new dataset containing only the aggregated variables and enter the name of the new dataset, for example, Aggregate. When working with very large datasets containing several million observations, we can use the options for aggregating large datasets located at the bottom of the window. If we sort the dataset by the grouping variable before starting the aggregation process, selecting the first option will shorten the execution time of the command. The second option, Sort File before aggregating, is used only if we have justified concerns about potential issues with insufficient memory or computer performance. In our case, leave both options unchecked and click OK. With this prepared dataset, we can proceed with further analyses.